So hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Geomatic Engineering Nepal, and today I'm going to show you how can we change the base map. So in this map you can see there is two types of map that is added here. One is topographic map and another added for the terrain information is hillside. So if for example if I want satellite images in this background in the visualization section, then I can just simply go to this map section. Under this map section you will see base map, and over here you will have a lot of options to select, and you can select based on your need. For example, if I want satellite image, then I can just go and select imagery or imagery hybrid. So for example, if I just select imagery, then it will take a little bit of time to update the base map and change the base map from what has been selected previously to the current selected base map. So you can see this is satellite imagery, and in history it will provide you very high resolution satellite image. See, you can see a lot of clear details. So yeah, this is how you can change the base map. For example, you can also check with others. For example, I will just take one example of this. Okay, streets. I think it is OpenStreetMap. Just take some time to load, and then you will be able to see your map. See, so if you zoom in, you can find the details over here. So maybe this is not OpenStreetMap. This is just simply the street map, like roads, networks, right? So yeah, that is how you can change the things. Thank you for watching.